Today we're going hiking and I had trouble opening up my skincare today because I ran out this morning, so I was like, oh my god, I need to open it up and everything. I couldn't even use the bathroom. It was so fast. Everything was happening so fast. And so now we're in the car, we're driving to people's houses, and yeah, everything is going according to the itinerary that we made. So yeah, so I'll update. We just stopped at Dunkin's for a rest break right now, but we are 10 minutes away from the hiking area. I don't know if we can make it. I'm so sore.
No, that's not At least on like reality shows, the beauty people, like, they spare them. Wait, what are we talking about? What like,
Survivors.
Total Drama Island.
We're on Survivors right now. Okay guys, my name is Tu Tran and I'm 21 years old. Here, Kim, introduce yourself.
My name is Kim Nguyen and I am 22 years old.
And here are our contestants. Dun, dun, dun. Oh my gosh, I have to walk backwards for this part. Here, meet the beauty team. This is Oscar. He's 22 years old. This is Kelly. She is 21 years old. Introduce yourselves.
I'm off.
So today we're on a mission. Our mission is to get to the top of a summit.
I am her co-referee.
We're co-referees. They gave us this role because we can't fit into any of the 3 categories because we're all of them: beauty, bronze, and brains. Oh my god. How far are we?
It's the bridge to the Ritz.
Hi everyone. We're lacking behind. This is not it, is it? Woo!
I think they like time.
Wait, how did that happen? Do you know if that's the top?
We just made it to one of the ledges. There is a lot more to go. We're trying to go up there. It's very high. I don't know if we'll make it, guys. I'm sorry, Kim. Hey guys, we're safe. I have my crystals. We are taking another break.
It's okay.
It's a good day to have a good day, guys. Right? 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 Yeah.
Yes.
No one's answering me. I don't even know how far away are we from?
1.6.
There's like half a mile left for the peak.
No, the going up. We're going all the way up. It's 4.4, but it's like, oh my god. Wait, like 3 and 4. You're eating hot Cheetos. No.
My energy.
Oh, let's do interviews. Hey everyone, I'm about to do my interviews with each contestant. First off, we're gonna have the beauties team. Hey guys, welcome back to Survivor. First, we're gonna be interviewing the beauties, Oscar and Kelly. So, don't be shy, model. How has the hike been for you guys thus far?
I think it's been good. You know, taking a little break.
Like, time for one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Brains.
Hey brains. So how has figuring out this maze been for you guys?
Easy.
Pretty easy.
How much puzzle pieces would you estimate to finish this?
What?
As in steps. Puzzle pieces as in steps.
0.8.
Hello, Bronze. How's carrying your bag?
It's very light.
Estimated weight of the bag, please.
50 pounds.
Okay, thank you.
We're barely making it, guys.
After 5 minutes of break 5 minutes ago, we're taking another one. But look at the view, guys.
It's a water bag.
Can you see it? Because I can't. I feel like this makes Survivor rig. We are only like 1.5 miles up, and we already took like 20 breaks. Who said that this is for the young and capable? I am not capable, and I am not young. Can we take a picture? Okay. Can we take a picture of him?
Sure, yeah.
Thank you.
His name is Cosmo.
Aww. Hi, Cosmo. Hi. I'm scared. We have made it to the top of Welch Mountain. Welch Mountain. This is the view. Can't really see much, but this is the view.
Do I look skinny?
Yeah.
We are fit.
Yeah. So we have one more. So this is a loop trail, so we have to go up that one a little bit, which is the Dickey Mountain, and then we gotta go all the way back down, which is a lot. But I hope it's easier than going up because one of us have a bad knee, one of us is not fit, one of us has back pain, one of us
is pretty.
One of us is pretty.
One. That's
Well,
weird.
many of us are pretty. But we're taking a lunch break now. Hopefully. Yeah, we gotta climb down this.
If someone falls, they're fucked.
Yeah. Nice knowing you guys.
At least we got signals.
Why just follow me? Give me some bug spray.
Chicken.
Don't come near me, guys. I don't smell good.
Choices by Callie, crafted by me, Mom.
Wow. That one's higher, right? Mm-hmm. So, how'd that work? Kind of.
We climb again and then we go back down.
I mean, like, that
Can we
down.
just go down?
We have to revert.
Guys, I'm having a lot of fun. There has to be a
Me
different
too.
way.
I don't think so, man.
How's the dog supposed to get down?
That dog's
The dog
still.
is better than us. He has grip.
The dog. Oh, the paw pads.
Look at that dragonfly. My dad used to catch dragonflies and put them as a kite.
Oh, my dad too.
Wow.
Tie a string at the tails.
And you want some tofu?
We are eating turkey cheese sandwich on a sesame bun.
And rice.
Oh yeah.
The perfect snack
I want to get my
for a
new
hiking
in New
trip.
Hampshire.
Oh, it's cheaper.
The mayo is making it worthwhile. And the cheese.
Yeah, we should have it.
I hope this is recorded because I can't see.
Wait, why here?
Why is everything so cheap here?
There's
I don't want tofu.
a bug.
Let me look at your itinerary.
What time is it?
11:30.
We said 11:45. We get up here. Or up there.
Up there.
Up there. Oh wait, hold on. Okay, we're behind schedule.
Oh, we're really behind.
I was like, there's no way.
There's really no way down from here. I feel like there has to be another way down. I mean, there's not.
Unless we go down and backwards.
Like,
I think you have to go down
David, you took
faster.
a picture, right?
There's a yes mayo.
The trail.
Yes mayo chicken.
It might
There's
not be as bad as
rotisserie
it looks,
chicken.
though.
oh my god.
We gotta have another one.
Me too.
I'm hungry.
Do you have the chicken or the turkey one?
There's a chicken one.
Did you have the turkey one yet?
Yes.
Was the turkey one good?
It
I
was
like the chicken
good.
one.
A turkey
Do you
one.
want to? Wait. Do you have another turkey one?
No.
I have a no mayo turkey.
I do have a mayo. This is the Welch Mountain. And that's Dickey Mountain. And this is the Welch-Dickey Trail.
The chicken.
I have a chicken.
The chicken one is good. Both of them are unique in their own way.
We climbed that one.
Wow.
Again.
So I know it's not that bad.
I'm gonna go home
Wait, is that where we started?
and ask.
It's gone.
What happened?
That mayo really does hit different.
You used to eat mayo packets out of the packets.
You need to move. You're right on the marker.
I don't know.
Close enough.
Sorry.
Just slapping my sandwich.
I'm sorry.
The bear's gonna eat her hair first.
Wow, the sandwich is better than McDonald's
That
McChicken.
one's even taller than this one.
Can we just do this one mountain?
No. We can do it. Believe in yourself.
I'm so sore.
Him is sore.
Speak for yourself, Oscar.
That's gonna be crazy.
You guys go down.
Yeah, watch them.
Wow. I didn't know we were going down.
We don't know.
You gotta get home somehow. 2 mountains in one day? You guys are ambitious.
Man, that mayo really does hit different.
Yeah.
I haven't had it in so long.
Your mayo obsession is starting.
I'm relapsing.
I am dying. My legs are giving out. This is a good experience, guys, to have with your friends. My voice is going.
You sound like Kelly's gonna cry today.
It's been tiring and it's been fun.
Yes,
Rewarding.
You're welcome, Kelly.
Thank you. Kim is my stand right now, but I cannot. I feel like. Wait, there's another bag. I'm gonna save this for later. I think I'm pretty full right now. Is everyone full?
Yeah,
We're gonna take a break.
Let me get some water.
Did you eat, David?
No, you didn't want to.
What is that onion? What is that? Did you get bit? Okay, well, anyways.
I'm trying to see what that looks like.
I think we're gonna have to take a break
Yeah.
because I
You guys
just
can
ate.
take- I'm just
We got chased by a bee. I wish I caught it on camera. David was running up there.
It's not that bad. I think it was chasing me the whole way up.
Yeah, dude, it was scary. It was literally. It was so funny. We were really.
I heard it buzzing in my ear the whole way. Dragonflies don't bite.
Yeah, they do. Some of them, if they're big enough, they can. But I brought this tiny rock because I wasn't sure. And okay, so we're gonna put this rock here because we have to make a wish first. A hiking, what is it called? A hiking. Okay, it's a rock pile. It's for good luck, so we're gonna put it on top, the very top. So I'm gonna make a wish.
I think I can move mine.
Go put it all the way on top. Okay. How did someone get it up there? I can't step on it?
No. Put it somewhere.
Okay, I'm gonna put it in here. Hidden but safe. Okay. Hidden treasures are the best. Which one? That one?
Those two.
Oh, you got two?
Yeah.
Okay. How you feel?
I'm scared that it will fall, but if the rock falls, that means the fate didn't want me to have that wish.
Yeah, and it's a rock pile of wishes, so we're fine.
Yeah, just because it falls doesn't mean it won't be a part of the pile.
Yeah, just mean it falls doesn't mean it makes it any less of a treasure,
Yeah.
any less of a wish.
And now we're here.
We made it up the summit and we're heading back down, but we're relaxing and enjoying the view on one of the ledges. Look, the wind. Do you hear the wind? It feels nice, right? Yeah. Yeah, it is a really good day to go hiking. We chose a good day because we were gonna go yesterday, but it was a day after it was raining and it was super cold according to the forecast.
We're up the mountain! Our first big mountain! And it's windy.
Muscle.
Don't walk, go! the beauties aren't doing well. We did it, guys! Yay! It was a hard downward decline. My toes was declining. We are back in our own state, and oh my god, I look tan, guys. We stopped at a restaurant to eat. We're currently waiting for some of our remaining friends to show up, but we already ordered for them. I've never been to this place, but I'm gonna show you the food when it comes out and let you guys know if it's gonna taste good.
That's literally what I always get whenever I come here. You like this, Kelly?
I don't know. We'll see.
She's vlogging our food for us. Thank you. The superhero we never needed.
I'm gonna have my first sip.
Don't burn your tongue. It's really hot. I'm surprised. You didn't burn
It's good. Let me try it with some rice. Hello.
Not that spicy.
Oh really? It used to be way more spicy. Not anymore.
Huh.
I think so many people complain about it, maybe. That's why.
Good.